Are you looking for the best pipe laser level in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pipe laser level that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Johnson Level Pipe Laser. The Johnson 6690 pipe laser is made from cast aluminum. The cast aluminum is nitrogen purged and sealed for waterproofing. The internal components of the pipe laser are protected with rugged housing and is made to withstand tough work conditions. There is a large illuminated LCD which makes information easy to see. It comes with an easy grade input for quick setup changes. There is an infrared remote control designed to work over long ranges. You can trust the laser dot center feature, which will automatically center the laser dot on the target. Up next in the 4th place is the Topkin TPL4AV Red Beam Sewer Pipe Laser. The Topkin TPL4AV is one of the most versatile units in the market. The unit is small-sized, spots a long-lasting battery, and comes with an Android app. The device makes it unnecessary for team members to enter maintenance holes to make adjustments. This increases safety. Topkin has a mobile app that puts you in control remotely. The mobile app can virtually assist with configuration settings and adjustments made. One of the fully charged batteries of the device can last a week. The battery also comes with multiple functions. This means that the battery can be used to charge other Topkin devices. The 3rd product on our list is the Powerline APL Pipe Laser. The Powerline is excellent for underground excavations because it comes with a red beam. It features an automatic self-leveling and laser class of 2. The Powerline APL Pipe Laser has an IP rating of 65 and can withstand the rigors of underground wet work. The unit has a warranty of 3 years with a grade range of 20% to plus 40%. The package has an interchangeable foot, the Powerline APL, a carry case, and more. Second on our list is the General PL100R Pipe Laser. The General PL100R pipe level also comes with motorized leveling. However, unlike the PL100G, the PL100R comes with a red beam. It also comes with interchangeable feet that can be selected based on the pipe. The bright red laser beam means the pipe laser works excellent for underground pipe installation. It has advanced motorized leveling technology and a horizontal fine-tuning laser or dot. The General PL100R pipe laser has an operating range of 300 meters, and the optimal temperature is between 20 degrees Celsius and plus 40 degrees Celsius. The battery type is rechargeable and made of alkaline. Finally, the top product on our list is the PL100G pipe laser. The General PL100G pipe laser has a motorized leveling. It comes with a green beam and a dial-in option. The manual flat fine-tuning moves the laser in both directions in a way that aligns with the targeted object. It has an ultra-bright green laser beam, and the nitrogen is pressurized. The General PL100G pipe laser package contains a remote control, hard carry case, tiny laser target, and target mount. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.